Mm. Beneath the smoky glow of dusk, I trace the outline of your name. The air still tastes of laughter once, but cold as falling rain. Your footsteps echo far away down corridors of memory. The walls now hung with silence where your love once lived in me. A record plays our faded song, each chord a hollow way. The melody remembers warmth, I wait to find a grave to make. Your scent drifts like a distant ghost across the window pane. I reach to hold what used to be, but only touch the ache and pain. We walk those streets in summer light, your hand safe wrapped in mine. Now every corner turns to gray beneath the sky that seems unkind. If love was fire, ours was ember, fading slow in autumn wind. I close my eyes and hear no voice, no whisper calling me again. At midnight I still call your name into the empty room. I dream I feel your heartbeat close and wake to spiders of the bloom. In silent grief, the city moans with me apart. And though I carry all your ghosts, I cannot hold your heart. So leave me here with empty chords and ashes of our song. I carry grief in battered hands and sorrow deep and strong. Yet somewhere deep beneath this wound, a fragile hope remains. That memory's flame may warm me still among the loss and pain.